This is a tutorial on how to change the check valves in your Cyclone giant pump. The tools you'll need is a 32mm socket and ratchet, a pick of some sort, and a slide hammer to remove the check valves. You're going to start off by removing one of these 6 caps. Sometimes they can be very tight and you have to use a cheater pipe or a breaker bar to get them broke loose. But after loosening them, pull them out, and then the check valve will be down inside of there, and they're usually pressed in pretty tight. The best way to do this is to take a pick and actually pop off this plastic top piece. Half the time it goes flying like that, and then you can pick this next part out, but I like to use a magnet to pull out the actual valves itself. And then you have to use your slide hammer to get down inside of the seat of the valve. And pop it out. You don't want to use a pry bar or a screwdriver or anything to pull out the seat, because if you scratch the inside of this bore, then it won't seal properly. Next step is to take your new valve, set it down in there, and make sure it's nice and straight, and just push it till it seats. Next, take the cap and your pick and remove the O-ring. And replace it with the new O-ring that comes with the kit. And install it back into the pump. You want to make sure to snug these up relatively tight. And it's the same process for all 6 valves, and that'll be it.